So students, in this part, you will learn about chart and layout style, other chart options like change the chart type, how you move a chart. Chart and layout style. After inserting a chart, there are several things you may want to change about the way your data is displayed. It's easy to edit a chart's layout and style from the Design tab. You can see in this figure layout style. To edit a chart element like a chart title, simply double click the placeholder and begin typing. You can see in this figure. If you don't want to add chart elements individually, you can use one of Excel's predefined layouts. Simply click the Quick Layout command and then choose the desired layout from the drop-down menu. You can see in this figure how can you select different layouts. If you want to change the chart style, select the desired style from the chart style group. You can also click the drop down arrow on the right to see more styles. You can also use formatting shortcut buttons. Other chart options: switch row and column data, change the chart type, move a chart. To switch row and column data, sometimes you may want to change the way charts group your data. Select chart you want to modify. From the Design tab, select the Switch Row or Column command. The rows and columns will be switched. To change the chart type, if you find that your data isn't well suited to a certain chart, it's easy to switch to a new chart type. In our example, we will change our chart from a column chart to a line chart. Select chart and go to Design tab and select Switch Row or Column command. You can see clearly in this figure. The Change Chart Type dialog box will appear. Select a new chart type and layout, then click OK. You can see all the changes in line chart. The selected chart type will appear. In our example, the line chart makes it easier to see trends in sales data over time. To move a chart, you can move the chart to a new worksheet to help keep your data organized. Select chart, go to Design tab, then select the Move Chart command. You can see in this figure, The Move Chart dialog box will appear. Select the desired location for the chart. We will choose to move it to a new sheet, which will create a new worksheet. Click OK. This is Move Chart dialog box. The chart will appear in the selected location. Chart appears on a new worksheet. Keeping charts up to date. In this figure, you can see how will you up to date your data. For more knowledge, you can watch this video.
A common problem with Excel charts is that sometimes people add more data to the spreadsheet and forget to include the new data in the chart. And that's exactly what's happened here. Our last few rows are missing from the chart. The worst part is you may not even realize that your chart is using incomplete or out-of-date data. But I'm going to show you an easy way to make sure your chart always stays up to date. First, I'll delete the old chart. Now the trick is to format your source data as a table. To do this, just make sure one of the cells in your data is selected. Then on the Home tab, go to Format as Table. And you can click whichever format you prefer. It really doesn't matter which one. Since our data has a header row, we'll leave this checked and click OK. With the table still selected, we'll go to the Insert tab and choose a chart type. And I'm going to go with a column chart. Now, if we add more data just below the table, it gets automatically looped into the table. And we know that it's part of the table because it's adding the table formatting to each new row. Best of all, since our chart is connected to this table, the new rows are added to the chart as well. So this chart will always stay up to date no matter how much data we add.
Goodwill Community Foundation, creating opportunities for a better life.
Solution based on previous video. First question, depict the percentage share of different gases in the atmosphere. Answer, pie chart. Next question, compare the sales made by 10 different salesmen in a departmental store. Answer, column chart. Next question, show trending lines for 3 different share prices. Answer, line chart. Homework for today is solve the jumbled words. Thank you.